Hello, people. Today I'm back in this place in my office. It's the lunch break, so I'm here shooting a video. See, now this is the topic for today is gemstones, because this is something that I'm very interested in, and this is a ruby gem which I love wearing. And much like how they say on the internet, these different stones do indeed have certain energies to them. So um, um, so the thing is, it's important to wear stones. Like for instance, this is a um, is pearl. So stones are basically elements, and elements carry with them certain. In Hindi, it's called tattva. So if you are to wear that particular stone, you literally inherently take on the tattva or the energy. So this is a very interesting topic, and I'd like to speak of it at length. But I think I'll note down certain points and then speak, because then it will be more structured. So, but thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.